welcome back to my channel English with Bhavna. So today we will be starting with the third part of the tenses, and you haven't been to my first and second part of the tenses, so please request you to go through the video and come to the third part quickly. So let's get started. Now today we will be learning the first type of tenses, present perfect tense. We have already learned present tense, okay? Perfect tense now we will be doing. Now what is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense refers to an action. It refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time. Indefinite, human, it's not exact time, indefinite, okay? In the past, for example, we have talked before, okay? Or begin in the past and continue to the present time. Example, he has grown impatient, has grown impatient, okay? Next, over the last hour, this tense is formed by, how is it formed? That is very important to understand, and this is the only thing which you need to understand for present perfect tense. हमेशा ध्यान रखना, present perfect tense है तो हमारे पास दो helping verb है, have या has. Have कब use करेंगे? When you're using they or I, okay? Has कब use करेंगे? When it's singular. When it's singular. For example, they have, I have, she has, he has, okay? Yes, plus the past participle. Example, have completed, has studied. For example, I have completed with my work, she has studied. So this is what present perfect tense. Always remember, I repeat again, present perfect tense में क्या होता है? Now it's present perfect. So present tense जो है ना, दो ही helping verb लेता है. One is has and second one is have. Has you use when you're talking about a singular subject, and have you use when you're talking about they or I, okay? Understanding plural subject as well. In present perfect tense, past participle of the verb, which is usually formed by adding ed or d to the verb's form. For example, study है verb तो studied हो जाएगा, teach है तो taught हो जाएगा, okay? Play will turn to played this way. Example, studied, danced, etc. Irregular verbs are exception. Irregular verbs हमेशा exceptions होते हैं. Means क्या? जिसका ed form नहीं है. Like for example, teach, you cannot say teached, right? You say taught. So this is not a regular verb. This is what? Irregular verb. Eat doesn't turn to eaten, it turns to ate. So it is what again? Irregular verb. Okay, let's move forward. Where do we use present perfect tense? What is the usage of it? We use present perfect tense. The present perfect tense can describe something that occurred or was the state of thing at an unspecified time in the past. You can use present perfect to talk about the duration of something that started in the past. मतलब पहले से start हुआ है और अभी भी चल रहा है. That time also we say that it's present perfect tense. Okay? The important thing to remember about present perfect is that you can't use it when you are being specific, as I said you. Indefinite. Indefinite means what? You're not specific. You're not specific. So same over here. When you're being specific, you cannot use present perfect tense. Okay, when it happened. Example, I have completed all the household chores. I have completed all the household chores this morning. That is wrong. Being specific is wrong. Okay, for usage of present perfect tense, you don't need to be specific. That time we can use present perfect tense. What are the examples? I have eaten my lunch. Why have over here? As I said you, I है. I के साथ हम helping verb क्या use करेंगे? Have. Okay? Eaten. It's past participle. Second form of the verb. She has completed with her work. Again, she is there. It's singular. So you will be using has. I have submitted all required documents. She has taught her students. I have written in my book. They have visited her already. He has just gone out for some work. So let's go to the next tense. This is the example. Prachi has eaten an orange. Has eaten. Present perfect tense. Why? Because has है. Helping verb देख के आप समझ सकते हो कि present perfect है, past perfect है कि future perfect है. Always remember children, present perfect tense में दो ही helping verb होते हैं, has और have. Has, have plus past participle will give you present perfect tense. Okay. Now see, present perfect form have or has plus the past participle. Study is a verb. She has studied for 2 hours. I have written neatly in my notebook. They have played in the garden. Let's move to the past perfect tense. Now what is past perfect tense? Past, as I said you, past मतलब हो चुका है. Perfect भी आ गया साथ में. Now always remember, जैसे हम present perfect tense में दो helping verb use करते हैं, has and have, past perfect tense is more easy to remember. Why? Because you would be using only one helping verb, that is had. Okay, had plus past participle. For example, I had completed, I had studied, okay, I had eaten, I had written. So this all is what? Past perfect tense. बहुत easy है remember करना. Past perfect tense एक ही helping verb होता है and the same, it's every time same, whether it's present perfect tense, past perfect tense or future perfect tense. You will be using past participle verb. You will be using past participle form of the verb, okay, and helping verb will be as per the tense. So let's move. The past perfect is a verb tense which is used to show that an action took place once or many times before another point in the past. We use past perfect to refer to something that happened more in the past than something else. For this reason, it's almost always used with another phrase in the past. Okay, simple past. The past perfect is formed using had, always had, only had, plus past participle. Questions are indicated by interpreting the subject and had. Okay, let's see more. Completed action before something in the past we use in this cases. Duration before something in the past, not continuous verb. Example, I had never. Again, as I said you, helping verb क्या होगा? Had होगा. Okay, never seen. Seen is a past participle form. Okay, I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I go to there. I did not have any money because I had lost my wallet. So अभी आप देख रहे हो ना, दो चीजें साथ में हैं. First of all, I did not had any money. I did not had any money because I had lost my wallet. Okay. Prachi had never been to an opera before last night. Okay. They felt bad about selling the house because they had owned it for more than 40 years. The kids were really excited about visiting the fun park. They had never been before. They had. Always remember. When we went outside, it had just begun to rain. So now if you see highlighted one, you will find that past perfect is there. Everywhere you will see had has been used. Okay, had never. See over here, had lost, had never, had owned. Okay, had never been, had just begun. So this all are what? Past perfect tense. Let's move to the next one. Prachi had eaten an orange. ओके, प्राची है, साची है, कोई भी है, बट क्या होने वाला है? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में हम एक ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाट हैड. ओके, एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज व्हाट हैड प्लस past participle form of the verb. So eat is a verb, so it will turn to eaten. Prachi had eaten an orange. See, past perfect form had plus verb plus d or ed, that is past participle, right? So she had studied. She had studied after her class. She had written neatly in her notebook. She had eaten before lunchtime. Okay, so let's move to the next one now, that is future perfect tense. Now what is future perfect tense? Future itself means क्या हो गया? अब ये simple future हो, future continuous हो, future perfect हो. Future आया मतलब you have to use the will or shall. Will or shall तो हम use करना ही है, future आ गया तो. Always remember. Now we are talking about future perfect also. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? लेट्स सी. ओके, द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट इज अ वर्ब टेंस यूज्ड फॉर द एक्शन दैट विल बी completed before some point in the future. The future perfect tense is for talking about an action that will be completed between now and some point in the future. In negative sentence, we may contract with won't or won't have. Example. Okay? He will have finished when you arrive. Will plus have plus past participle. एक और टिप हमेशा याद रखना, आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. परफेक्ट फॉर्म है, वेदर इट्स प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, वेदर इट्स पास्ट परफेक्ट, वेदर इट्स फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. वर्ब क्या होगा? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. वर्ब क्या होगा? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. ओनली एंड ओनली वन थिंग विल चेंज, दैट इज व्हाट? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. प्रेजेंट है तो प्रेजेंट का हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज और हैव, पास्ट है तो हैड आ जाएगा, एंड फ्यूचर है तो ऑब्वियसली विल हैव और शैल हैव, डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. She shall have forgotten everything. Rianshi won't have arrived by then. Won't, it's negative as I said you. Okay, won't have arrived, past participle, by then. Mom will have cooked. Will have cooked, ed hai, past participle. Okay, our favorite meal. She will have slept 8 hours, not slept. Always remember. The plant will have grown by then, not growed. That's wrong English. Sam will have run by 10 o'clock. Okay, let's move further. Future perfect tense. We use future perfect tense like, for example, will, won't, have plus past participle to talk about something that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Again, example. On 19th November, we shall have been married for 1 year. Okay, will you have gone to bed when I get back? So whenever it's a question, you need to start with will or shall. Okay, we can use phrases like by or by the time, meaning at some point before, or in a day's time, in 2 months time, in 5 years, means been specific also. For example, by the time we arrive, the kids will have gone to bed. Okay, gone is a past participle form. Will is a future form. Have we are using because we are talking about future perfect tense. Okay, I shall have finished in an hour, then we can watch a film. Okay, let's move forward. Prachi will have eaten an orange. Will have eaten. Now future perfect है, don't worry, you students are really confused. I know future perfect में बहुत confused हो जाते हो कि मैम कितने सारे verbs है, क्या है. नहीं, don't get confused. Future perfect है, obviously will या shall तो आएगा ही आएगा. Helping verb perfect form में आता ही आता है, we know that. जैसे present में has और have आता है, past में had आता है, वैसे इसमें क्या आएगा? have आएगा. Okay, and past participle, which is common in all three, right? Eaten. So Prachi will have eaten an orange. When I'm talking about present perfect, what I will write? Prachi has eaten an orange. When I'm talking about past perfect, Prachi had eaten an orange. And right now I'm talking about future perfect. So Prachi will have eaten an orange, right? Next, future perfect tense. What is a formation? Will plus have plus past participle. Study. By 8 p.m. tonight, I will have studied this topic. She will have written in a notebook by next week. He will have played in the garden by the time we will reach. So I hope you have understood the perfect form of tenses as well. And any other doubts, any other videos you want me to upload, please comment, use comment section, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Thank you for visiting my channel.